Good afternoon. We are out here at 30 East Brainerd Street in Pensacola, Florida, 32501. We have a corner lot here, majestic oak trees, beautifully shaded. Come build your dream home on this beautiful and spacious corner lot in sought-after North Hill community. Just 9 miles to the beach. Tons of amenities near this location. Bayview Park just to the east. Blue Wahoo Stadium on the bay. The lot has been cleared, as you can see, and was previously improved, which means all utilities are already in place. As you saw where we began over there on Gillimard Street, there is access via driveway. And approaching now our front elevation. Sidewalks in the neighborhood, brick paved streets, beautiful neighbors. And welcoming front steps. Again, we're out here at 30 East Brainerd Street in Pensacola, Florida. Historic North Hill District. You could walk and bike to downtown. Come build your dream home.